American Standard AC remotes commonly fail due to low battery, signal interference, or software glitches. Older models from before 2020 often suffer from battery degradation or IR sensor malfunctions. Newer smart models can have connectivity issues. This video will guide you through troubleshooting to get your AC remote working again quickly. The first and simplest step is to check and replace the batteries in your American Standard AC remote. These remotes typically use 2 to 4 AAA batteries. To ensure batteries are working, use a multimeter to check that each one provides at least 1.5 volts. This confirms they have enough power for the remote. Corroded battery contacts can prevent proper function. Clean them gently with a soft cloth or pencil eraser to remove any residue. Improper battery insertion accounts for 40% of remote failures. Always follow the orientation markings inside the battery compartment. Infrared signals from your remote need a clear path to the AC unit. Obstacles like walls, furniture, and electronic devices can block this IR signal. Walls and furniture create physical barriers that interrupt the signal. Wi-Fi routers and other electronics can cause interference. The remote works best within 10 to 15 feet of the AC unit. If you're too far, the signal weakens. Try moving closer to the unit or removing obstructions to restore clear signal transmission. This diagram shows how line of sight affects signal propagation, and this illustrates the IR signal transmission process from remote to AC unit. Many American Standard remotes can be reset to resolve temporary software glitches. The typical procedure involves holding the power and mode buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Some models, like those shown here, have a dedicated reset lock button. Always consult your AC unit's manual for the exact reset procedure for your specific model. For newer American Standard Smart AC units, ensure the remote is properly paired with the American Standard Home app. This connection allows for seamless control and diagnostics. Next, verify your Wi-Fi connection is stable and active. The app requires internet connectivity for remote diagnostics and updates. Make sure the American Standard Home app is updated to the latest version available on your app store. Updates often fix connectivity issues and add new features. In 2025, downloads of the app for remote diagnostics increased by 20%, demonstrating its growing utility for troubleshooting. Remember, issues with app connectivity are typically software-related and can often be resolved through these steps. Firmware issues can cause American Standard AC remotes to malfunction. In 2024, a glitch affected Platinum 18 units, causing remotes to freeze. American Standard provided a free USB firmware update that fixed 85% of these cases. To apply the update, connect via USB and follow the on-screen prompts. Look for the firmware update screen and select OK to proceed. Regularly check the American Standard website or mobile app for firmware updates to prevent future issues. A faulty IR sensor can prevent the remote from sending signals. Use your smartphone camera to check if the remote is emitting an IR signal when a button is pressed. Point the remote at your phone camera and press a button. Look for a light on your phone screen. If you don't see a light, the IR sensor may be faulty. This is demonstrated by experts on channels like YouTube's HVAC Guy. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your remote still isn't working, it may be time to call a professional HVC technician. Repair costs typically range from $50 to $150 US. Expert opinions indicate that by 2028, smart remotes will likely replace IR remotes, so consider whether repair or replacement is the better long-term solution.